go too fast because you know what I'm saying. Police be wild up in Mexico. What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a new install. We are installing Acuity cable bushings for the Tension SI today. These bushings right here, they're made out of hard rubber slash aluminum, I'm not sure, but some sort of metal, and this will help you shift a lot better. Only give a stiffer feeling when you go into gear, but as well as when you do go into gear. For example, let's just go to second, and see how notice there's a little bit of wiggle. You don't want that. So basically, after we put in the shifter bushings, there will still be wiggle, but it should be a lot less other than like this. Alright guys, so I already got the battery out. Here are your cable bushings, and all y'all guys need to do is take out these cotter pins. I would, if you want to make it easier on yourself, put some WD-40, PB Blaster, or whatever. After taking these pins out, and then you just take a flat or something like that, and then just pop them right out. Alright guys, so I got the old bushings out. Here are the new ones. Before y'all guys put it in, make sure that y'all guys put these rings. The bigger one right here is for this one, and then the little smaller one is for this one. And so make sure just put it back on when you put on the cables. Alright guys, I have the second bushing in now. As you can see, if I turn it over, you can see the little ring on that bushing. Just make sure it's on there, because if you don't have it on there, then these bushings will literally fly off. Just finished wrapping up the Civic. Now we are gonna go take it for a drive. So the first thing I noticed is right when I get in the car, if I put it into any gear that I want, you know, say for example second, it, as you can see, it barely moves compared to last time. It was moving like millimeter, 2 millimeters or so, but when I put in gear now, it's barely shaking now. It's a lot more stiffer, so that's why it shakes a lot less, which means it's easier to go in gear. Something I noticed right away is that it goes a lot easier in the gear. I could downshift like seamlessly, like sheesh, and the shifts are a lot crispier, so I could go any gear I want without no problems. And I like it, it's a little bit stiffer, which I like, so that way it's easier to shift faster, shifts a lot better, easier. It's, I don't know how to explain it. Like it's something that you have to buy for yourself in order for you to understand like how it feels and how it drives. But I'm telling y'all guys right now, this is probably the best bang for your buck kind of upgrade. We are in Mexico. You know, let me do a little quick pull for y'all guys. Ow, no man! Easier to go in gear. It's easy to downshift. Like, look at that, like seamless. Seamless, like it's no bog, no nothing, and then it just goes. I don't want to go too fast because you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you know, the police be wild up in Mexico. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I will see y'all guys next time and next one.